Question 24. In triangle ABC and triangle DEF, okay, angle B and angle E each have measured 27 degrees. That means this and this are equal. Angle C and angle F each have measures 41 degrees. That means this angle and this angle are equal. Okay, let's draw. See, these triangles are not up to scale. We are just trying to understand the concept. So this is one triangle and this one is another. Okay, so let's say this is angle B and this is angle E. So these both are 27 degrees. This is 27 degrees. This is 27 degrees. Angle C and F. Let's see, this is angle C and F. So this one is 41 degrees and this one is also 41 degrees. So this is A and this is D. Okay. Which additional piece of information is sufficient to determine whether triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF? Wonderful question. See, the measure of angle A. If you know the measure of angle A, or you can calculate it by angle sum property, so do you think these will be congruent? Let's see with the help of one example. Let's say I have two equilateral triangles, right? This one. And what are equilateral triangles? When every angle is of 60 degrees, right? And every side is equal. So let's say every side of this triangle is 3 units. Now let's take another triangle. It's also an equilateral triangle, and if it is an equilateral triangle, then every angle is going to be 60 degree. But side of this triangle is 6, not 3. So such triangles which are like proportional, two figures which are proportional to each other, these are not congruent. These are similar. Congruent means if you place one triangle and put it over the other one, then they just overlap each other completely. So if angles are equal, sides should also be equal. So if I take another triangle like this one, this is again an equilateral triangle and it has side 3. So sides are equal and angles are also equal. Then this and this triangles are congruent. Perfect. So now here in this question we have to find out the congruent triangles, not the similar triangles. So finding angles is not going to help us because not necessarily the sides are equal. So option A is not correct. It goes to similarity, not to congruency. Option B, length of side OB. Okay, that side is known to me. Let's say this is X. I am not sure which side of this triangle is X, right? So this information is only about one side of the triangle, not for the other one. And now here we are comparing those two triangles. So that means again that is just half of the information, not complete. The lengths of the side BC and EF. Yes. If this and this are given and they are equal, then with the help of ASA rule, these two triangles will be congruent, right? So we must know two angles, which is already given in the question, and one side of both triangles. So side lengths of BC and EF, yes, if that is given to us that these sides are equal, then we can say if it is equal, triangles will be congruent. If it is not, triangles will not be congruent. But this additional piece of information is necessary to find out that triangles are congruent or these are not congruent. So if BC is equal to EF, that is given, triangles are congruent. But if these are given but these are not equal, then that means triangles are not congruent. Okay, so yes, additional information is necessary. So option D is the C is the correct